The Mpow T5 True Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will be taking a look at the Mpow T5 True Wireless Earbuds. I'll go over some specs, features, provide a microphone sample, and give my thoughts on them. This was sent out for me to review, and as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with your standard user guide, micro USB cable for charging, various ear tip sizes, and a lanyard. The T5 features 5 hours of listening time, 35 hours with the case. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, button controls to navigate, and it has CVC 8.0 noise cancellation technology, which helps filter out surrounding noise during calls. And it has aptX and AAC codec. It's also IPX7 sweat and water resistant. The case is a nice compact size with a soft leather top and bottom, and it has a nice grip to it. You can also see the Mpow branding on the top of the lid. On the front of the case, you have the LED charge indicators. And on the back is the micro USB port for charging. The lid feels tight and it opens and closes smoothly. Inside, you can see the left and right ear markings etched in. The earbuds have a small design to them and it feels very light. You have the ear indicators marked inside and the button control on the outside. Each of the earbuds features a microphone, LED light, button control, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. And here they are side by side. As mentioned, these utilize button controls for playback and calls. The left side is as follows. Press once for play, pause, answer, end call. Press for 1 second for previous track, and press 2 times for volume down. The right side controls are press once for play, pause, answer, end call. Press for 1 second for next track. Press 2 times for volume up, and press 3 times for voice assistant. The case comes in at 3.3 by 1.7 by 1.5 inches. It weighs in at roughly 61 grams, and the earbuds come in at about 9 grams. Now for a microphone sample. This is a test of the Mpow T5 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked pretty well and callers had no issues hearing me. You can also use the earbuds in mono, left or right side individually. Pairing is also quick once removed from the case. Watching videos with an iOS device, I didn't experience any latency or disconnects. Range was good, and volume levels get really loud. So here are my thoughts on the Mpow T5s. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. Starting off with comfort, I found them to be in line with earbuds that have this type of form factor. It requires a bit of twist to get them seated, and it's fairly comfortable. The use of the button controls can make it a bit uncomfortable as you tend to push it further into your ear canals. Build and quality is great. I like the leather finish on the case, and it has a nice compact design. It feels durable along with the earbuds. The earbuds are fairly small and it doesn't protrude out as much. Now when it comes to sound, the lows were pretty good. It doesn't have that punchy strong bass, but it does have its presence. Mids and highs is where I think these stand out more. You can definitely hear vocals and instruments clearly and loud. It's not too bright sounding with the treble, but just enough in my opinion. It makes it more of a balanced sound experience. It does get loud, so if you enjoy listening at a high volume, these will do well. So I think these are a good all-around pair of earbuds, and the price point is excellent. You get a good battery life, IPX7 rating, and a simple compact design. These will definitely be perfect for working out or everyday casual listening. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.